Hi guys, welcome to our Wix Studio Editor series. Want to keep a menu, a call to action, or a cool image visible while your visitors scroll through a section? That's where sticky positioning comes in. By the way, there's a difference between sticky and pinning. So pinning locks an item to the entire screen all the time. On the other hand, sticky locks an item only while its parent container is visible. Once the visitor scrolls past that section, the sticky element moves along with it. So, sticky is best for you if you have very long sections but would like to keep a certain call to action element visible to your site visitors. So, here's how you can do it. Click on an element or even a section you'd like to remain sticky. Then open the inspector panel through this button on the top right. Go to the position section, and for position type, change it to sticky. You can choose to stick it to the top, bottom, or bottom and top. And you can also decide whether to keep it in front or not by ticking or unticking this checkbox right over here. So to see if this worked, you can go ahead and preview your site. And as you scroll past the section, as you can see, you'll notice that this button will remain visible until the section can no longer be seen. So we're going to try top and bottom this time. Preview it. There you go. So that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.